As you enter the home stretch of buying a home, there are a lot of things to juggle. It's easy to get distracted with the end in sight, but don't let anything fall through the cracks before you come to close. To keep you on track, here's your essential checklist for closing on a home. Number 1, get all contingencies squared away. Most purchase agreements have contingencies, conditions that must be met before the transaction is official. Typical contingencies are for home inspection, appraisal, and financing. If problems with any of these arise, the buyer can back out without losing their deposit. Number 2, clear the title. When you buy a home, you take title to it and establish legal ownership. Your mortgage lender will likely require a title search for anyone else who claims to own the home, as well as any liens attached to it. Purchase title insurance to protect you from legal claims to the house. Number 3, get final mortgage approval. You may have locked in your interest rate, but before you can close, your home loan must go through the underwriting process. The underwriter will check that you've represented yourself and your finances truthfully. Don't do anything before closing that might hurt your credit score. That includes buying a car or any other large purchase. Number 4, review your closing disclosure. Your closing disclosure outlines your exact mortgage payments, interest rate and loan term, and additional fees called closing costs. Compare it to the loan estimate your lender gave you at the outset. If you spot any discrepancies, ask your lender to explain them. Number 5, do a final walkthrough. Most sales contracts allow buyers to do a final walkthrough of the house before closing within 24 hours. Make sure the previous owner has vacated, unless you've allowed a rent-back arrangement, and double check that the home is in the condition agreed upon in the contract. Plan to sign a ton of paperwork. Then you'll collect the keys and you're home free.